and hope you see. I'm trying to model, but it doesn't really look too good. Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a product review on a couple of brand new products that I've recently purchased on my trip to Oregon, which I didn't pay any tax for. I was very excited about. I bought a couple of things that are pretty much trending on social media, like the Farsali Blur Primer, the Fenty Beauty Holiday Collection, the Tarte Cosmetics. I bought a couple of different holiday collections. So before you guys continue to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is somewhere down there, and you can like this video if you guys do like it at the end of it. So with that being said, please continue to watch. So let's get started with today's video. I'm very excited to use these brand new products. I've been waiting to get them from Sephora for a while now. I actually went to Oregon last week and I was able to purchase a lot of stuff tax-free, which I was very excited for. But good thing I kind of waited because they actually had a bunch of products and they just shipped them to that store that I was at. And I'm just very excited to use it. So I'm using every single product that I purchased at Sephora, and I bought one product from MAC that I've been wanting for a while. It's the Fix It Plus, the one that has like the shimmers and stuff in there. I'm very excited to use this. So let's go ahead and get started. So for primer today, I'm using the Bare Minerals Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. So I'm gonna just skip through all the stuff that I've used in my past videos, and I'm gonna fast forward to the stuff that I just purchased. And then, because I'm gonna do a product review on those. And I haven't used this primer before on camera. It's a little oily. It's kind of like, it has like a silicone feel to it, but it's, I don't know how I feel about it. It's very oily. Like, I like Bare Minerals products, but there's just some things that I can't really seem to get on board with. Let this dry down for a little bit because I feel like my foundation is gonna slip around on this. While that's drying down, I'm gonna start on my foundation. I'm gonna usually go to my go-to Huda Beauty and the L'Oreal. I kind of combine these together because they make the perfect skin tone for me. Okay, so the foundation is gliding on very well with the primer that I put on. So I did dry it into my skin, so can't really complain too much. But it was just the initial put on for it was very oily. So I guess once it dries down, you should be good. How have you guys been? How's everything going? How's your weekend? Anything fun for Halloween? Put it down in the comment section. Obviously I can't talk to you because I'm talking to your camera right now. Or DM me if you like. I would love to hear from you. Move on to concealer, Born This Way, and then ColourPop. I like mixing these two as well. I will be mixing a little bit of Farsali. I actually just got this as well. This is one of the products that I purchased from Sephora. It's the primer serum. I know you're supposed to put it with the foundation, but I'm actually gonna put it with the concealer and see how it actually blends out because I have really dark under eyes and I wanna see if this would actually do the trick to covering those. I'm gonna put some on my hand because I wanna put them directly on my face, and then pat some on with a sponge. Ooh, it's very nice. It's like it has like a silicone feel, which I like. And then I'm gonna blend it in with the concealer. And it's supposed to blur out any kind of blemishes you have included with the concealer or foundation. It's completely up to you how you want to use it. Next up, setting powder, Huda Beauty. So I'm gonna use this brush right here. So far so good. I just wanna see how it acts after I kind of brush it off to see if it gives any kind of flashback. According to the description, you're not supposed to get any flashback from this loose powder. It doesn't look like you would because it doesn't have a kind of a brightening effect, which is something that I particularly like. It smells amazing, which is good, and it's very soft onto the skin, so it doesn't really like soak up all the moisture that you have, which is usually a result of a good powder, a loose powder. So next, contour. I didn't really buy a contour kit, so I'm gonna use this Kat Von D Shade Light Contour Palette. My go-to is my middle one right here. I kind of bronze and contour with this color. Ooh, excuse me. Burping like crazy. I'm not the only one that burps in the world, okay? So don't judge me. If you get anything like that where it gets a little patchy around the cheek area, work it in circular motions and it kind of works it out on its own. You just kind of have to keep blending till it's all gone. I'm gonna go with a little bit more of a softer contour today. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I just wanna focus more on the products that I purchased and do a little review on those. Contour the nose with this little brush right here. It's the Morphe M175. The same bronzer or contour. Just make a line right here. And then a line from here to like here. Bring it down to the nose area and then blend it out. Next product that I purchased, I'm actually very excited about this one because I'm a personal fan of Tarte products. I've used their blushes, their bronzers, the Shape Tape concealer, all their products that they've pretty much come out with this year, I've loved so far. And I actually got the limited edition, their holiday collection, this one right here. It comes with 2 bronzers and 3 blushes. And you can actually remove this, right, as so. And you can actually use it as a clutch if you wanted to. Ta-da! So it's a multiple use, which I like to do because I personally love clutches myself. So I think the blush that I'm going to be using today, it's called Pool Float right here. It's more on the peachy side. I'm actually very excited to use it, so let's give it a whirl. If you ever used Tarte before, you know their stuff is actually has a lot of color payoff, which I particularly like. It's very soft on the skin. It doesn't really clump up. A little bit goes a long way with this blush, just to let you know. I'm loving it so far. It's doing great. They come with a nice variety of colors. So this one's called Flamingo, this one's Passport, and this one's Pool Float. I usually like the pinker coral colors because it looks just better on my skin tone. So great review on this one. I love it so far. All right, I'm gonna wipe off the rest of this baking stuff that I use from Huda Beauty. And then I'm gonna do a flashback test to see how it turns out. Here's how it turned out. No flashback, that means it's doing very well. So I'll give that a thumbs up. Good job, Huda Beauty. You did a really good job with not having any kind of flashback under the eyes. It just pretty much set it in place the way you want it to. It's not moving around at all. Yay, good job. All right, next product up for review. This is the Fenty Beauty. This one is the Killawatt foil. Looks like so. I'm actually going to be using these colors as eyeshadows too and as a highlighter. But let's use this as a highlighter first and see how that turns out. Use my little highlighter brush. Ooh. I love highlighters, especially ones that have a nice gold tone to it. Oh, this is so pretty. I can see this being used as a highlighter, eyeshadow on the nose. Even the pink, I know it's supposed to be a highlighter, but I've seen a lot of people use it as an eyeshadow too because it's very, very pink, as you could see. I did purchase one of her pencils from her holiday collection. It's very soft on the skin, which is very good. Blends very well. It doesn't really leave any patches around the face. As you could tell right here, it's very, you can make it intense if you want to, but it's very subtle. Not only do I like the packaging, she actually has it, I don't know, her packaging is super simple, but it's very unique of how she has everything. And not only to mention the colors, they're way out of the box of what you would typically see on your normal highlighters. Because you see a lot of blues, like metallics, chrome, pinkish white kind of colors. But this one is way out of the box. The beautiful colors, they blended very, very well. As you could tell, the color is freaking amazing on this thing. So I'm very happy with it so far. I will be using the pink as an eyeshadow as well. I might be rotating to the gold one and see how it turns out. All right, I just turned off the camera, did my eyebrows really quick because it's just part of my normal routine. I didn't get anything new. I used my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color medium brown. All right, next, another Fenty Beauty product and Tarte. So I got her holiday collection, the little pencils right here. So the blue, silver, and purple. These could be used, she said, as a lipstick, eyeshadow, and under your eyes as well. And then the chrome from Tarte, this is the chrome paint. And the color, what is it called? Shadow Pot. It's like a very beautiful rose gold. I'm very excited about this because I've never had anything rose gold in makeup before. So let's go ahead and get started. So to use this, I think I will, what am I going to be doing? I'm going to mix these two with the chrome paint and then put the blue on my lower lash line in the color like so. Look how beautiful this is. It's very holiday, very festive, which I particularly like, and I love the holidays. It's one of my favorite seasons in the world. I wait pretty much yearly to kind of decorate the house and do all that stuff. Do you like to decorate? Do you go all out, or are you more simple? Let me know in the comment section. It's going on the skin very smooth, so it's not really tugging onto my skin like you typically get with a pencil. It kind of sticks to the area where you would put it. That's one of the reviews I'll give you right now, which is not a bad thing. You could have it in a very specific area if you wanted to. The only thing is that you just kind of have to be careful with what eyeshadows you're blending with. All right, so that's kind of gonna stay in like the inner corners. I'm gonna put this a little more on the outside, and then I'll put the chrome color from Tarte in the middle. This is in, oh actually this is in the color Frosè, very French. So I'm gonna make it look a little V right here. And bring it up, and then color it in. Very nice purple color. So this purple color, you could actually blend it with the brush, as you could tell, to remove all those harsh lines. Let's just appreciate how beautiful these colors are. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that looks pretty blended to me. I'm not gonna worry about too much right here because I'm gonna add the chrome Tarte on the inside. For a pencil, like how the consistency of this product, it actually blends very well with the brush. I'm not even adding like a lot of pressure. I'm just kind of swirling my brush around. Pretty. Okay, next we're gonna add the Tarte. So this is a rose gold. First of all, let's appreciate how beautiful this color is. Just look at that. Oh my gosh. They recommended using your finger for this, so I'm just gonna add my finger in here and add it right in the middle. A little bit goes a long way, guys. So I barely tap my finger and I'm using it for both eyes. I'm definitely gonna add a little bit more of that purple because this one kind of washed it out. I'm very metallic right now, but I don't care. I love these colors. What do you guys think? You guys like it? Let's add a little bit more of the purple so it doesn't really wash it out. The purple, I've noticed, doesn't have any kind of shimmer in it. It's more of like on the darker matte, not mattified, but like softer side. So it goes really well as like on the outer corners if you wanted to use it, or even under the lower lash line. All right, next we're gonna use the blue right here for the lower lash line. I don't think I'm gonna add anything in the crease because I just really want to focus on the metallic colors that I have going on. So we're gonna add this. Okay, I'm gonna use the same blending brush and kind of blend this out a little bit so I don't have any harsh lines. And then I said I was gonna be using the pink right here from the Fenty Beauty highlighter palette, the duo palette. So I'm gonna use this color right here in the inner corners. So pat that into the inner corners right here. I know my colors on my eyes are very funky, but I don't care. I like how it's turning out. So I guess that completes the eyeshadows. What do you think? You like it? So it all look well? All right, review time. These pencils are freaking amazing. I love how easy it is to kind of move, like hover it over or put it onto your eyelid. So it's nothing like you have to tug onto your skin. It's very smooth. Color payout is very beautiful. It's easy to blend with other colors. You could have multiple uses for this product. You could use it on your eyelids. You could use it on your lower lash line. You could use it as a lipstick if you wanted to as well. I've seen some people use it as a highlighter, but you kind of have to kind of pat it in with your finger, but I'd rather just use her highlighter, duos. The Tarte, I don't know what to say about this color. I mean, look at that, just right in the middle. It's freaking beautiful. I personally love rose gold and love everything about it. It's just the color payoff and the colors. I guess it depends on the angle that you look at. It has either a gold or a pink spectrum between it. I guess it's more on the rose gold color, but other than that, I really love it. I have no complaints. It blends very easily. It does have a very intense shimmer to it, so it could cover any other color that you have under it, or if you're trying to blend it with something else. So you're gonna have to add the color, if you like I did for the outer corners with the purples, just add on top of that. But other than that, I love it. Tell me what you guys think. If you guys actually use this product, tell me in the comment section if there is anything that you don't like about it that I could probably review and just take a look at. So with that being said, let me go add some mascara and lashes, and I'll come back and we'll spritz on some of that Fix It Plus, okay? Okay, I added on some mascara, but then I completely forgot that I bought a pencil from Sephora. It's for the waterline. And I got this lash glue right here. It's from Esquido Lashes. I was actually watching an advertisement on it on Facebook. So this glue is supposed to last pretty much all day, and it's not supposed to come off or anything like that. The only thing I'm hesitant about it is that I don't know how it comes off. It's waterproof and all that stuff. So I'm gonna test it out and see how much it sticks to my lashes. and we'll go from there and then see actually if I have a result of taking these off. So first of all, we're gonna use the Sephora Glide Liner Waterproof. It's in the color, what color is it? White Snow. So I'll add this onto the waterline just to make the eyes pop a little bit more than they already are. Glides on beautifully. I always used Sephora like liners like this for the waterline, and I have no complaints with them. Actually, my go-to one is like the natural beige. I bought that one a few years ago. They last pretty much all day. They don't irritate my eyes or anything like that, especially on the waterline. You gotta be careful with it because you don't want anything to kind of irritate it and make your eyes look all red. So that's pretty much the white right there. And I'll go to my Lily lashes. These are in the style Havana. All right, let's test these out. See how good this lash glue is. Wait for it to get a little tacky. It dries pretty quick, so that's good. Forgot that I bought these products so I could review these as well. So it's kind of like a full face today of reviews. So it goes on clear, so you don't have like a dollop of glue on your eye showing too much. And voila, we got lashes. They're sticking pretty well, so I'll see how they come on after the fact. Hopefully they don't rip my eyelid apart. All right, lashes are on. Next, we have lipstick. Then I'll spritz on some of that Fix It Plus with that little shimmer in it. So the liquid lipstick that I'm using today is Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the color St. Tropez to kind of match like the chrome that we got going on. All right, last but not least, Fix It Plus Pink Light. Let's go ahead and spritz this on. Smells amazing. Ta-da! All right, so I guess that completes the whole look. What do you guys think? Alrighty guys, so I guess this completes this video. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like, and let me know in the comment section if you guys have any other opinions on these products. If you guys want me to review other products that's coming up, or if there's anything that you particularly like that you want me to kind of teach you, like you have trouble doing blending or anything like that you want me to show you, I have the go-to for everything. So thank you for watching and hope to see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.